All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and welcome to my Linkin Profits review. As you can see, I'm inside the members area, and today I'm giving you a virtual tour. We're gonna have a look inside, and you can see if you want to check this out for yourself. Now, what is Linkin Profits? It is a Chrome extension which is going to allow you to blast out auto messages to people on LinkedIn. All right. If you don't know much about LinkedIn, it's a social platform, but it's also a platform where people come to network, professionals come to network, people post jobs, you can get jobs on here, and the people on this platform are professionals, okay? As you can see, these people are online marketers, freelancer, Forex trader. These are people who have money and they're always looking to up their game and up their skills level. And basically you can make some good money on here promoting courses, sending affiliate links, all that sort of stuff, you know? So it's a very good platform. You know, it's not like Facebook where people are just watching their sort of, you know, their cat and dogs videos and socializing and having fun. This is a place for serious people who just want to move on with their life, okay? So there's definitely some buyers in here, all right? So that's what Linkin Profits does. It allows you to tap into this platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to use it. And before we dive into the review, I'm going to point out, if you are interested in Linkin Profits and you do want to check it out, all you have to do is hit the link below this YouTube video. You'll be taken to this page here where you can get over $3,000 worth of bonuses. All right, I've put together a sick bonus bundle for you, and you can see it goes on and on and on. We've got stuff on free traffic, paid traffic, affiliate marketing, list building, done for you websites, software, everything you need to build out your business is all here. So I'll let you check that out in your own time. But as I said, the link for this is below this video. All right. So that said, let's get in. Let me give you a little tour of Linkin Profits. So first of all, this is put together by Bill, Sarab, and Sid here. This is Team Alpha. They launched some really cool stuff, and you've got a section on installing the extension. Okay, so it's just a little Chrome extension that sits up here. Okay, you got instructions on how to install it, and then we've got an overview. Okay, so let me take you through each of these videos and just give you a little bit more detail. Okay, let me open this up so you can see, and let me skip to the middle if my internet ain't too shit. All right, so we're in. So you can see in this bit, this is your Linkin Profits dashboard. And what you can do is you can send invites to people, or what's called connects on LinkedIn. And you can blast them with these auto messages like, hey, I am Sid, or I am Nick. I'm giving away a free course, how to make $500 every week. And they can, you know, opt into your funnel. Or you can say, hey, you know, I am Nick. I've got this really cool course that you might enjoy, and you could maybe do a redirect link and send them straight to an affiliate link if you wanted to. Okay, if you don't have a funnel or an opt-in page, you know, you can do all of that sort of stuff. So this is to sort of connect with people who you're not already friends with. Okay. You can also direct message. So people that you are already connected with, who are already in your network, you can just direct message them. You can send them similar stuff to that. You can also do group messages where you message people in entire groups, okay? And you can do auto follow-up messages. So if you've already messaged someone before, maybe they haven't replied to you, or maybe they have replied to you, you can do auto follow-ups. For example, hey, thanks for adding me to your network, or hey, you know, thank you for checking out that link that I sent you. You get the idea. Let me show you the group one a little bit more, because this is an interesting one, okay? So if I come to LinkedIn, all right, and I go to groups, all right, let's just click on this. I think my internet is being insanely shit today. Okay, let's just type in group. So let's just go for affiliate marketing and see what comes up. Okay, affiliate marketing, and let's check out some groups in this. Okay, so as you can see, we have people, we've got jobs, we've got groups. Here we go. You can see all the groups here. And some of these have got an insane amount of members, all right? So let's just check out this first one here, digital marketing SEO, 357. You click into here and you're gonna be able to see all the people in the group. I'm not too familiar with LinkedIn, so I don't know where that is. You've got related groups. Don't worry about this. There's usually a place where you can see all the members. All right, let me just try one more, just see if I can get this right. there should be a place where you can see all the members. Okay, well, obviously I'm a complete amateur, I can't find it. But anyway, there is a spot, you can see all the members. In fact, let me just come back here, because Sid actually demonstrates this way better than me. Here we go. So you can see here, you've got all the members here. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna go and message all the members on autopilot, and it's gonna say, again, something like, hey, got a course that you might be really interested in, check it out at this link, and bam, they'll click on your link. You get enough hops on your link, you can start making some sales, some affiliate commissions. Okay, so you can see how that works. Let's go check out some more stuff. So we've got this other thing called visits. Okay, visits. Let's see what this is about. So this is another feature of the Chrome extension. So a demo of how this looks, we've typed in digital marketing. We're looking at people this time. There's all these people related to digital marketing. We're not connected with any of them. We're not friends with any of them. And what our Chrome extension is going to do up here in the right is going to visit these people. It's going to visit their profile. Okay, then it's going to send out a connect with them. And then it will also auto message them saying, hey, loved your profile. It looks like you're into digital marketing. Maybe you want to check out this sort of thing, okay? Or you don't need to be that direct. You don't need to sell on the first point of contact. It's really up to you what you write in your messages. But just have a look over here, okay? And have a look in this right section and you'll see what this extension does, okay? So he's just hit play and it says visiting Venkatesh, the top one. You can see over here, it's visiting his profile. And then it's gonna go green, all right? And it says connection request sent. So now it's done a connection request. And then it's gonna pause. Okay, it's gonna pause for 25 seconds. So this is not like one after the other. So your LinkedIn account isn't gonna get flagged for sort of suspicious behavior, suspicious activity. And it's gonna pause for this amount of time and then it's gonna move to this next contact, okay? So it's gonna hit this person. You can see it's now opened Madhushan's profile, checking it out, acting like a real person, you know, the extension's behaving like a real person would. Now it's sent that connect, and now again, it's gonna pause before moving on to the next one. Just really sort of imitating natural human behavior, okay? This is really important because otherwise you'll get your account shut down because LinkedIn will notice. Okay, so that's visits. You've got the record features. This is very cool, worth a look actually. So let me just open this one up. So basically you've got records, not records, records. So anyone you have connected with, anyone you have reached out, is going to store them in this record section, okay? Let me just flick through here and there you go. You can see what this is about. So we've already reached out to Venkatesh and Madhushan and it's going to store them for us, okay? And it's got email and all that sort of stuff. And it just lets you know who you've already reached out to, you know, what you said, what you messaged to them, that sort of thing, okay? And then finally, we've got the groups message, which I actually already showed you. You can go and hit up these people in these different groups, all right? And that is pretty much it, okay? Last thing, actually, which is worth showing you, is this bit, which is, let's say, if you don't have any funnels of your own, or if you don't have any affiliate marketing products, you're a bit new to this, they've put together some done for you campaigns, okay, so you can get started immediately. All you got to do is drop your affiliate link in here. You can choose from this drop down menu of different offers, okay, and then you just hit submit and it's going to generate a done for you page, okay, promoting a high converting offer. And this page comes along with bonuses and all this sort of stuff. And so this is a page that you could send to these people on LinkedIn. They'll hit it, and if they like what they see, they very well might go and buy this, okay? So if you don't have a funnel, if you don't have an opt-in page, if you don't have, you know, if you're not building an email list right now, you can just use these done for you campaigns. Let me just see if I can open this page. There you go. So that's it. You can name your pages, you can drop in your Warrior Plus affiliate link, and bam, you can choose one of these high converting pages right there and just hit submit, okay? So that's that, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, we've got some upgrades, your usual stuff. You can just sort of unlock the, you know, the pro version where you get unlimited connects, unlimited contacts, you've got unlimited traffic, you've got more done for you stuff, the usual kind of thing, okay? So that is it for my review. What are my impressions of Linkin Profits? Got to say, it's very cool. it does the job of automating, messages on LinkedIn. You wouldn't want to be doing this stuff manually. You wouldn't want to be connecting and messaging people one by one. That's going to get extremely tedious. You just want a Chrome extension like this running things in the background whilst you're either working on something else or maybe just chilling and watching something. You can have this really running for you in the background, doing that work for you. Okay, so it's really cool in that respect, and it works. All right, it does the job. And as I said, LinkedIn, although I haven't explored it much, it's a platform that you probably want to get on. Okay, it's a platform for serious people. I think you could really find some buyers on here and make some really good money on here. Okay, and I think after reviewing this, actually, I'm going to start looking at LinkedIn a lot more. All right, so I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you got a lot out of it. As I said, if you do want to pick up Linkin Profits, the link for my bonus page is below this video. Okay, and yeah, I'll leave it at that. All right, wish you all the very best. Keep killing it, and I'll catch you real soon.